Active member of our community, Covenant Health is on a mission to create health for a better world by donating to and partnering with the local charities and organizations that make Lubbock and the South Plains a better place to live.
In this week's Covenant Health Community Spotlight, we continue to focus on people here on the South Plains spreading positivity during these uncertain times. Covenant has teamed up with United Supermarkets to bless 6 people with a $500 gift card for all they've done. And this week's winner is an area high school teacher. Once his school shut down, he wanted to make sure his students were still getting the best education possible online, even for students who didn't have access to online learning. He wants to stay anonymous because he says it's not about him, it's about everyone doing good over the past few months, but he did have a statement he wanted to pass along. He says, "I truly appreciate this wonderful gift and the kindness that Covenant and United Supermarkets has put into recognizing the hard-working people on the front lines. As a teacher, this means a lot, but it goes much further than just me. This recognition should be given to every teacher who has had to spend their days working during this unprecedented time. It's hard enough being a teacher on a normal school day, but to fundamentally change how you teach while still considering the challenges that makes online education more difficult makes every teacher the real hero and deserves recognition." Well, do you know someone who has gone above and beyond for others during this time? Nominate them for a $500 gift card to United. You can find the nomination form on our website, everythinglubbock.com. Just go to the Covenant Health Community Spotlight link under the Weekly Features tab. And in today's health news, websites and apps that offer a diagnosis after symptoms are provided are often inaccurate, according to an Australian study. Researchers looked at 36 international mobile and web-based symptom checkers and found they only produced an accurate diagnosis as the first result 36% of the time. The correct diagnosis showed up in the top 3 results about half of the time. And eating dairy is linked to a lower risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, and other cardiovascular issues. The large international study is published in BMJ Open Diabetes Research and Care. The report showed that consuming at least 2 servings of dairy products each day resulted in that lower risk. The benefits were strongest for full-fat dairy products. And yoga may help improve mental health for some people during the COVID-19 pandemic. A new study released in the British Journal of Sports Medicine showed that for people dealing with mental health conditions, yoga may improve symptoms of depression, including anxiety and post-traumatic stress. Researchers found the more yoga people did, the more benefits